Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to add image texture in Blender. After starting Blender, we can add an object. I make it simple. I will add the plan and close up to view it, and I press Z to change it to material preview. Next, we can have two options to add image texture. The first option, we can select the object first and then go to material properties and then add a new material. Next, we can go to base color. We can click the dots and then we can find image texture here. And then we can click open to link your image. I have a wooden floor image and then click open image to add image texture to the material. This is the first option. I delete the material. We can use second option. We can use shader editor. I split the viewports into two. One is for preview the texture, and another one I will switch to shader editor. So we can add the new material here, and then we can find principled BSDF shader looks is added, and then we can use Shift A and search image texture, and then click to add image texture look here, and then click open, and then link the image, and then click open the image to import the image into image texture look and then connect color to base color. So we can find the image texture is added to the object. So this is the two options to add image texture in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.